Hello everyone. In 10th Maths Chapter 1 Relation and Function, today we are going to learn remaining examples of exercise 1.4. See this question, example 1.15. Let f be a function f such that natural to natural be defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 2x belongs to natural number. So in this question, function from natural to natural, and it is defined as f of x equal to 3x plus 2 is given. Here we have to find out three subdivisions. First subdivision is find the images of 1, 2, 3. Do you know what is image? Yes, in an ordered pair, second element, that is y coordinate, belongs to image. In an ordered pair, first coordinate, that is x coordinate, belongs to pre-image. So here first you take down and write the given f of x equal to 3x plus 2. The next given function from natural to natural. In this question we have to find the images of 1, 2, 3. So that means this given belongs to x coordinate. Therefore we have to find the value of f of 1. That is, instead of x you apply 1. 3 into 1 plus 2. Therefore the value of f of 1 is 3 into 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. This is the value of f of 1. Next we have to find f of 2. f of 2 equal to 3 into 2 plus 2, that is 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Then f of 2 equal to 8. Then f of 3, that is 3 into 3 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. f of 3, the value of f of 3 is 11. Now the ordered pair of function f equal to 1, 5, 2, 8, 3, 11. Therefore the images of 1, 2, 3 are 5, 8, 11. This is the answer for first subdivision. Next subdivision, find the pre-images of 29, 53. So in this question, images are given. We have to find pre-image. So what is pre-image? It is always belongs to x coordinate. That is, in an ordered pair, first element are called pre-image, second element are called images. Then means f of x equal to 29. This one belongs to first set, that is x coordinate, and this one belongs to second set, that is y coordinate. Now you apply the value of f of x, which is given in the question, 3x plus 2 equal to 29. Now 3x equal to 29 minus 2, therefore x is equal to 27 by 3. That is, the value of x is equal to 9. Here the ordered pair 9, 29. Okay, now we have to find the value of x, that is f of x equal to 53. Now we have to find out the value of x, that is f of x is equal to 53. F of x is 3x plus 2 equal to 53. That is 3x equal to 53 minus 2, then 3x equal to 51. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 51 by 3. Cancel means we get 1 3 is 3. Remainder 2, 7 3s are 21. Therefore, x is equal to 17. Here the ordered pair is 17, 53. Now what is pre-image? In an ordered pair, first element are called pre-image. Therefore, pre-image of 29 and 53 is 9, 17. This is the answer for second subdivision. Now we move on to the third subdivision. Identify the type of function. Here the given function from natural to natural. In the previous subdivision, we get the ordered pair 1, 5, 2, 8, 3, 11, 9, 29, 17, 53. Here we have to find type of function. What is the first type? Yes, 1 function. So what is the definition of 1 function? Distinct element have a distinct images. So here see this ordered pair, every element belongs to natural number have a different images belongs to natural number. Therefore, it is satisfying the condition of 1 function. Reason, since different elements of n have different images in the codomain. Hence, f is 1 function. Now we have to check the next type. What is the next type? Many one function. So whether the function is 1 means it is not possible to say many one function. Therefore, move on to the next type, that is onto function. Images or belongs to natural number not equal to codomain. Therefore, it is not onto function. So, it is not onto function means it is possible to say into function. What is the definition of into functions? Images are subset of codomain. See here, codomain is natural number. Then images 5, 8, 11, 29, 53 is the part of codomain. Therefore, it is into function. Reason, but the range of f equal to 5, 8, 11, 29, 53 going on. is a proper subset of natural number. Therefore, f is not onto function, f is an into function. The answer is f is 1 1 and into function. Now we see the next example 1.16. Forensic scientists can determine the height in centimeter of a person based the length of their thigh bone. They usually do so using the function h of b equal to 2.47b plus 54.10, where b is the length of the thigh bone. Here the word forensic means scientist method for solving crime. They find height of a person based the length of their thigh bone. In this question, given function is h of b equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. Then b is the length of the thigh bone and h is the height of a person. See the first subdivision. Check if the function h is 1 1 function. So for this we use second definition of the 1 1 function. Previously we have seen the definition of 1 1 function. See the second definition of 1 1 function. If for all a1 comma a2 belongs to set A, f of a1 equal to f of a2 implies a1 equal to a2. Then f is called a 1 1 function. So this definition we used to apply. In solution, take down and write the given function h of b equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. By the definition of 1 1 function, let us assume h of b1 equal to h of b2. So now you apply the given function, that is 2.47b1 plus 54.10 equal to for h of b2 you write 2.47b2 plus 54.10. See here 54.10 you take to after the equal means it becomes minus, then plus 54.10 minus 54.10 cancel and get 0. So now 2.47b1 equal to 2.47b2. Here 2.47b1 is in multiplication form. So you take 2.47 after the equal means it becomes a division. So then 2.47 cancel. Now we get b1 equal to b2. By the definition, h of b1 equal to h of b2 implies b1 equal to b2. Therefore, h is 1 1 function. Thus, h of b1 equal to h of b2, which is implies b1 equal to b2. So the function h is 1 function. This is the answer for the first subdivision. Now we move on to the second subdivision. See the next subdivision. Also find the height of a person if the length of his thigh bone is 50 centimeter. In this question, we have to find out the height of a person. Thigh bone length is given, that is 50 centimeter. Solution. First you take down and write the given function h of b equal to 2.47 b plus 54.10. See, in this function b is length of thigh bone, that is 50 centimeter. H of b is height of a person, that one we have to find out. So you apply the value of b in this function, means we get h of 50 equal to 2.47 into 50 plus 54.10. Now you multiply and say the answer. Yes, we get 123.50 plus 54.10. Both we add means get the answer 177.60 centimeter. It is h of 50 equal to 177.60 centimeter. Therefore, the height of a person is equal to 177.6 centimeter. Now we see the third subdivision. Find the length of the thigh bone if the height of a person is 147.96 centimeter, that is 147.96 centimeter. In this question, height of a person is given. We have to find out the length of the thigh bone. Solution. First you take down and write the given function h of b equal to 2.47 b plus 54.10. In this function, h of b is height of a person, that is 147.96 centimeter. B denote length of a thigh bone, that one we have to find out. So now you apply this value, that is 2.47 b plus 54.10 is equal to 147.96. Now 2.47 b equal to 147.96 minus 54.10. We get 2.47 b equal to 93.86. Here it is in multiplication form. Therefore, b equal to 93.86. 2.47 take 2 after the equal means it becomes divide it is 2.47. Now we remove this decimal point, then both numerator and denominator you multiply by 100 because here two decimal digits are there. Therefore B equal to 9386 by 247. Now B equal to 9386 by 247. For cancelling this, 247 multiply by 38 means we get 9386. Therefore, B equal to 38 centimeter. That is length of the thigh bone is equal to 38 centimeter. This is the answer for this example. Next we see some special cases of function. There are constant function, identity function, real value function. First type, constant function. It is nothing but range of this function is singleton set. See the definition. A function f such that a to b is called constant function if the range of f contains only one element. If the range of f contains only one element, that is f of x equal to c, c denote constant value. For all x belongs to set A and for some fixed c belongs to set B. For example, set A equal to A, B, C, D and set B equal to 1, 2, 3. Let function ordered pair f equal to A, 3, B, 3, C, 3, D, 3. See, in this ordered pair, all the images are constant term 3. Since f of x equal to 3, then means it is a constant function. See this arrow diagram, this one denotes set A and this one denotes set B. So every element has a unique image, then means it is a function. Then all the elements the same image, that is 3. So range of this function is only one element. Range of f is equal to singleton set 3. Therefore, f is a constant function. Okay, next type, identity function. So, identity function is nothing but which has a input, that is a output. See, let A be a non-empty set, then the function f from A to A defined by f of x equal to x. For all x belongs to A is called an identity function on A and is denoted by IA. For example, if set A equal to ABC, then function ordered pair IA equal to A, B, B, C, C. See, in this ordered pair, x coordinate and y coordinate has the same element. So, this is called a identity function. You remember identical twins. In an identity function, see this arrow diagram. Every element has a unique image, hence it is a function. Then each element has a same image which has a input, that is the output. See, B has image B, C also has image C. So therefore this is identity function. Okay, last type, real value function. Real value function is nothing but a range of this function is subset of real number. See the definition. A function f such that a to b is called a real valued function if the range of f is the subset of all real numbers. Or, do you know what is real number? Yes, it contains all whole number, natural number, integer, rational number, irrational number, or that is f of a, function of set A, subset of R. R denote real number. Now you get a clear idea about special cases of function. There are constant function, identity function, real valued function, which will be very useful to do the sum. Okay students, today homework exercise 1.4 sixth sum, which is related to example 1.15. Do properly and copy down these sums also. Thank you.